Hello people, I hope you all are doing well. So in this series we'll be discussing about life, routines, leadership qualities and many more topics. You can also suggest me in comments what topics we need to discuss about. So I'll be sharing tips and tricks from my life experiences. With that, something that I have learned of, I have heard of, and we'll be exchanging views and ideas together. So today the topic I chose is confusion, no direction and procrastination. So to be very honest, in today's world where options are many, it's really hard to decide things. And when you are confused, what things you have to do? So if I suggest some tips and tricks regarding the confusion things, what I'll do, take a sheet of paper, take a pen and write down what are the confusions, write down what problems you are facing, write down anything that has been just muggled up in your mind. And after writing down, आपका 50% काम is done. Cause जो भी you were confused about, all is sorted. You know what are the main confusions. हम आधे टाइम तक तो यही सोचने में confused रहते हैं कि हम confused क्यों हैं. So this is the best idea to do, is to write down things. Then after writing the confusions, now we have the problem in front of us. Now what we can do now, we can just try to find out the reasons why that confusion was arising. After finding the reasons for the problem that we had, now it's the time you have to go for finding solution. What we exactly do, just directly jump into the solution part, and then we get more confused and in a vicious cycle, just doing the same thing again and again. What we have to do, we have to first find out what is the problem, then why are the reason why it is arising, and after finding out those things, now we have to move forward and find out the solution for our problems. Now ठीक है जी, हमने हमारे जो प्रॉब्लम्स थे उनको लिख लिया, हमने उसके रीजंस बता दिए, हमने उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी ढूंढ लिए. बट द मेन प्रॉब्लम दैट वी डू इज़ नॉट टू इम्प्लीमेंट आवर सॉल्यूशंस. हम सॉल्यूशन खुद भी ढूंढते हैं, हम हमारे फ्रेंड्स से, हमारी फैमिली से सॉल्यूशन मांगते भी हैं हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स का. बट एवर वी थॉट हम उन सॉल्यूशन को इम्प्लीमेंट करने की जगह सेम लूप में वापस से फंस के वापस से हम बोलेंगे यार मेरे पास ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये है, आई एम स्ट्रेस्ड, आई एम कन्फ्यूज्ड. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, you have to implement. After implementation, your problem will be solved completely, and that is the 100%. So you have steps to solve your confusions. Write it down, find out the reasons, try to solve it, and then the most important one, to implement it. I hope that confusion wala part is totally clear. If you have some queries regarding this, comment down below. And now we'll move forward to the next portion of this video, which is no direction or procrastination. So coming straight to the point, human tendency is to procrastinate. हम चाहते ही हैं कि हम जो easier, जो entertaining task है, will perform those and leave that harder task for later. If it's about studying, it's about some important work, some thing that will take your energy more, you will try to procrastinate that task and do binge watching at Netflix, maybe scrolling reels. So why do we do these stuff? It's easier to do and it takes very less energy. वो अलग बात है कि ये सब हम सोच रहे हो energy utilize नहीं कर रहे, but they are draining our energies and we have very less energy for other tasks to do. So now what we can do, जो आपका harder task है, हम attracted होते हैं towards performing the easier or more interesting task than the harder or time taking or the one that needs our focus and attention. So make that harder task more appealing, more attractive, creating that environment. If you are studying, just make your workspace or study space clean, well knit, जिससे कि you'll gain that confidence, you'll gain that momentum to work. हम एक बार जब हम रुके हुए हैं, now we have to really push ourselves to be in momentum again. So that first initial 5 minutes of every task, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. अगर विल स्टे, अगर हम वो 5 मिनट्स कर लेते हैं, देन योर टास्क बिकम्स ईजियर. आप मोमेंटम में आ जाओगे एंड यू विल बी एबल टू फिनिश दैट टास्क. सो if you are procrastinating, what you have to do is to do that task for the 5 minutes. First thing. Second thing, make the environment more appealing and more interesting so that you will have that urge to work, urge to study and urge to just do more things. Then coming to the next point, no direction. Okay, so एक मूवी का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. एक मूवी चल रही है जिसमें कोई तो एक मेन कैरेक्टर होगा उस मूवी का, ईदर द हीरोइन और द हीरो. Now suppose that hero or the heroine or the main character of the movie is just sitting idly doing nothing. Nothing means nothing. Just sitting, wasting time, or I'll say confused. Do you really like to watch that kind of movie? We want interesting. We want that main character to do things, to explore more, to learn more things. So, if you are the main character of your own movie, do you see yourself as an interesting character or not? Do you like watching yourself or not? Answer these questions to yourself. If you find out that nahi, I'm doing thing, I'm enjoying my life, I'm making an effort for better life, I'm making an effort for improvement, then my dear friend, you are on the right track. You are making an effort and you are the main character of your own movie. But if you are not doing all these stuff, you must think one more time that what are you doing in your life. And at the end, if you are doing these things, like if you are confused and you found a solution and you implemented it, if you were procrastinating a task for a long time and then you did that, and if you really found a vision for your life, if you really found that main character energy, then reward yourself, have a fun day and enjoy. So I hope you all like this. If you want more such topics, we'll be surely discussing with you all on every Wednesdays most probably. And comment down below if any topics you want to discuss about and you want me to talk on that. Till then, see you again.